I look so not creamy. Sorry.
Hello everybody, what's up? Today we are in a beautiful location here in Kauhajoki called Jokima. And as you can see, these are the water from the snow. So the snow has started melting, and this one is actually a small river. And there I can see a lot of flooding water. It means summer is coming and the snow is melting. But we have even cooler things to show you today. This is an Insta360 X3 mounted on top of a Mavic 3. And the coolest thing is actually this thing is a hand mount grip for Insta360. But I got this idea when it arrived to my home that I can also use it on top of my drone so that I can mount my X3. It looks like a good setup, but I haven't yet tested. So today we are going to do some very critical things, and this is not officially guaranteed that it can take this kind of payload, but I'm pretty much sure my Mavic 3 will take it easily. And this Insta360 X3 is only 430 grams and the drone itself is 890 grams, so it's gonna be around 1200 grams in the air with this extra payload. So the most important thing is safety. You have to be careful about what you're doing, and if you're not sure what you're doing, please don't do that. And this is my gear. I bought it with my own money and I am fully responsible what I'm gonna do. But I believe if I take safety precautions seriously, nothing bad will happen. As for example, you should definitely cover the Insta360 lenses and also the screen. I will show you what kind of gear you need to protect the gear, to protect the lens and the screen. As right now, I didn't put my screen protector and lens protector because I'm pretty much confident it's not gonna fall. So let's begin. But I'll show you what kind of protective gears you need.
The gears that you need or not. Insta360 X3 screen protector. Lens guard. For Insta360 X3 GoPro.
The Insta360 X3 hand mount is an accessory designed to securely hold the Insta360 camera for handheld shooting. It typically features a comfortable grip, ensuring stability and ease of use while capturing 360-degree videos and photos. The hand mount often includes a built-in tripod or selfie stick functionality, allowing for versatile shooting angles and extended reach. I got it from an online store and it cost like under €10. Super handy and fun to play with and get some unrealistic camera movement. Now let me play with it. It wobbles a little, but Insta has unbelievable stabilization. So here is a quick weather check right now, and look at this. Oh my god, this is absolutely perfect. Everything is green right now, and there's no extra gust or anything that can be dangerous for flying. And I also want to mention this is like a rural area, and I cannot see any people except me and my wife, so I'm not gonna risk anybody's life or anybody's property, and I'm not even gonna fly more than maybe 10 or 20, maximum 30 meters. And this is a complete safe file, and we both have license and registration, so let's do it. Oh, here we begin. I need so much fortune today, and let's hope nothing bad is gonna happen. And you need to be very careful, because you're not gonna ruin your 3,000 euro drone with another 700 euro camera, so keep your eyes open. Let's begin. I'm a little bit nervous right now, because this is something that I never did before, and definitely it's a risky thing. But let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh.
Are you sure still?
Oh my god! Yes, it can do it! And DJI Mavic 3 cater to different filming needs, offering unique strength in their respective domains. The Insta360 X3 is a compact, handheld action camera designed for capturing immersive 360-degree videos and photos, boasting 5.7K resolution for videos and 72 megapixel for stills. It excels in portability and versatility, featuring advanced stabilization and creative modes like bullet time and time shift. In contrast, the DJI Mavic 3 is a high-end drone equipped with a dual camera system, including a 4x3 CMOS Hasselblad camera that delivers exceptional 20 megapixel stills and 5.1K videos up to 50 FPS. It offers superior aerial footage capabilities with a 3-axis gimbal for smooth shots, extended flight time of up to 46 minutes, and intelligent flight modes for sophisticated filming. While the Mavic 3 is perfect for capturing stunning aerial perspectives, the Insta360 X3 shines in dynamic, on the ground, and immersive content creation.
Hey, okay, so you didn't take a risk and I take this risk.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay, now I'll ask question, okay? how do you feel now with this extra payload?
Actually, there is not much difference.
Yeah, this is the same thing I got as well. Do you think it is a safe idea to do that?
No.
No?
No.
Yes,
Yeah.
I also think the same, because if there's a strong wind, there's possibility that it falls.
True.
Yeah. But what do you think about the present setting? Do you think I can do it more, or we can do it more in future?
No, I don't like to do. I have to say, because I didn't fly so much, so
Yeah.
I don't want to take risk. Of course, you know I take more risk than you, but
Yeah.
you notice I'm risk taker.
Yeah. But do you think that the drone is stable, like super stable? What do you think about the stability?
It's not looking stable.
Okay.
Looking the looking is not stable, but when we filming, it's stable. The picture is stable.
Yeah. So there's no problem with the extra payload, even with the Insta360 X3 for the Mavic 3. But I'm not sure about the Insta360 footage because I cannot see it. But I can tell from home. What do you think about the controller movement? Do you think it's stable?
It's like the same to
Yeah.
me, like before.
So basically there's no difference even with the Insta360 X3 on top of a Mavic 3, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, I feel the same way. So right now you are in 20 meters or how much?
I am 12 meters at the
12.
moment.
One more question about the battery. Do you think it's taking a lot of battery?
Yes.
I felt the same because I noticed.
There is only 10 minutes left now and I just started and there was more time.
Yeah.
Time like a fly, literally.
This is all about it. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.